Hey, welcome back to the Blue Collar Bar. How are you?
Oh, I'm great, Chris. How you doing?
Great to see you.
Thank you.
What's going on?
I'm looking for a drink.
Okay.
I was wondering if you had anything new.
I do. I just read about this great new cocktail. It's not new actually at all. It's from 1934.
No, that's not new.
No, it's not new at all. It's from the Artistry of Mixing Drinks by Frank Meir. He made this drink after cold porter.
Cold porter. Oh, I love cold porter. What kind of porters you got?
Not the beer. Not the beer. Cold porter. The songwriter, producer.
I get no kick from champagne. Oh, that guy, Cold Porter.
You do know the guy.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, he made this drink, the Seapea Fizz, after Cold Porter's initials, CP.
He named a drink after Cold Porter.
He did. Big fan.
The composer.
Huge
the writer.
fan.
Yeah. Broadway guy.
Yeah, that's him.
Yeah.
That's
all
him.
right. Well,
you want to give it a shot?
Yeah. Let's CP Fizz.
CP Fizz coming right up.
All right.
So this is an egg white.
It's an egg.
It's an egg. It's a brown egg.
Yeah.
Yes.
I see that.
We're looking for the egg white here. We're gonna crack it, open it up, rotate the yolk. The white will drop.
Hey, how come some eggs are brown and some are white?
Well, that's a great question. I would assume that some chickens are brown and some are white.
That's like almost too easy of an answer. But
I keep it easy, keep it easy around here. The Blue Collar Bar, keep it very easy. Now the egg white is in the tin, we're gonna put it to the side. In our mixing glass, we're gonna add absinthe.
ooh,
I know.
the green fairy.
Yeah, scary stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna
Did Cold Porter drink this?
I know he did.
You know he did.
I know he did. After belting out those songs, sure, absinthe does a trick. 3/4 ounce absinthe. 3/4 ounce simple syrup. This will be a sweet drink. And 3/4 ounce fresh lemon juice.
That's 3/4 of everything.
It is.
That's easy to remember.
Very easy.
And an egg white.
And an egg white.
Absinthe and eggs.
Absinthe and eggs, yes.
The classic
The
combination.
breakfast of champions. We're gonna combine all the ingredients, give it a dry shake. It means no ice. All we're doing is breaking the protein up. The egg. Okay. We're gonna open it
What was
up.
that, about 30 seconds?
About 30.
Yeah.
About 30. Make sure the egg is opened up, the protein in lemon juice, mixed it well, the acidity cooks it.
Yeah.
Now add ice to the tin. And give it a wet shake. To break the temperature,
What do you say, about 10 seconds?
about 10.
Yeah.
About 10, exactly.
Cold Porter.
Cold porter, not the beer.
Cold Porter.
In a chilled Coupe Glass, we're gonna strain this cocktail up. We'll leave a little room to top off with soda water. With the gate open, because we use the egg, and with the gate open, you'll get all that great texture and silky egg.
Silky egg texture. That's what I like in a cocktail. Silky egg texture.
If you close the gate by pushing on your thumb, it will get all the foam to stay in the tin. So by opening the gate, you will release the foam. In case you didn't know, sir.
Well, yeah, that's a good tip.
And then soda water, we're just gonna splash. That's really it. That's the CP Fizz, no garnish.
This is a weird cocktail.
Yeah, it's very odd. It's an odd.
All right,
it's not for everyone. It's a pale green cocktail with absinthe. I hope you get a kick for this cocktail.
Well, I love eggs
Yeah, well,
and absinthe.
Excellent. Cheers.
We'll find out.
Cheers. Hope you like it. Well, what do you think?
Actually, Cold Porter.
Knows what he's doing?
Not bad.
Yeah?
Yeah, it tastes like
What do you taste?
absinthe and lemon. And it's nice and smooth.
Refreshing cocktail?
Silky smooth.
Right?
Yeah, it's
Right.
great.
Right.
Yeah.
Now we know.
CP Fizz.
Yeah. You heard it here first. Or in 1934.
Now go home and look up who Cold Porter is.
You'll get a kick from his writing. Well, thanks a lot. If you like this drink, make sure you like the Blue Collar Bar. Subscribe for many more cocktails. You can follow me on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender. Thanks a lot. Great to see you again.
Oh, it's great to be here, Chris.
Great. Well, thanks a
Yeah.
lot. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.